Sanbonani, let's take a moment and talk about children. Children are a gift from God. He entrusted us with their souls. Our responsibility is to take care of them, guide and protect them. The 31st of May to the 7th of June is Child Protection Week. The question is, have we done enough to protect our children? Have we given them the information that will protect them in life? Children don't deserve any harm. They don't deserve abuse, whether it's sexual, physical, or any other type of pain. We are now dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. Have we taught children how to be safe during the times of COVID-19? If we teach children about safety measures, it's very important that our message is clear. When we teach children to wash their hands, they are washing their hands not because government said so, but because they need to wash off the dirt and get rid of the germs that could be in their hands that will actually get into their system if they touch their faces with their hands. When we teach a child to wear a mask, it's very important that our message is clear. The child is not wearing a mask because government said so, but it's because when a person is speaking and they are very close to you, sometimes there are droplets that will come from their mouths. Now, these droplets can get into you, and that's how you can also get infected with the virus. We need to make sure that they know that they need to wear the mask so that they can also protect other people from their own breath or saliva or droplets. That's the reason to wear a mask. Again, if we teach children about social distancing, it's not because they will be arrested if they do not do social distances. It is because we want them to know that when you get closer to a person and they touch you and are infected with the virus, they could find themselves being infected. Protection is not only to be done during the Child Protection Week. It's an everyday act. We must protect children every day, every moment of our lives. Your child, my child, our children.